Ay, mag-share mo na ako, no.
Pink sleepers.
I-share mo.
Wait lang, baka wala
Dapat
pa.
may tissue ka na dyan.
Ha? Oo, dapat may tissue ka, mag-tissue. Dapat ka ng
Dapat
professional.
ito ganyan yung...
Ako, tissue.
Wait lang, may ba?
Agaray.
Magulat sa mga people, ano.
Hello, to our kababayans in Visayas, we are thinking of you.
Correct. Kasi nga, because it's, I think counting na daw mga 70 or more people na daw
Yeah.
are, ang namatay sa Lindol. Oo. Correct.
Yeah.
Chinek lang namin yung audio, guys, kung okay ba siya. Okay naman pala siya. Okay, that's good. Hello po, everyone. Diba? Murag lami ang register, diba? The light is nice.
Wow. And it's cold.
And it's cold, oo. So we just need to warm up a little. O, diba ang ganda ng ano? Diba? You like it?
Very.
Hello everyone, I'm with Paulo Linote. Shout out po sa inyo. Today, we are going to have an exclusive chikahan over what transpired. So, pwede tayong magbisaya, Tagalog, no, Paulo?
Yeah.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you. I will only, I haven't spoken for so many, ang daming naglapit if I can speak and if I can answer. But I said, I'd rather not, but I decided to go live and I will only answer to you because I feel like you are nasa gitna all the time.
Okay, yes.
So I will speak tonight to let everybody know our side and my side.
Yeah. But before we proceed pa, I would like to, diba, sinabi na natin, talagang nakakasad yung nangyari
Very
alam mo na, it was a 6.7 magnitude talaga na earthquake, na lindol. Oo. And I'm pretty sure maraming businesses ngayon ang affected about sa nangyari and that I think that
Our
deserves,
heart goes to
I pray for the families also
kababayan.
na nawalan ng family member or friends or relatives or whatnot. Diba? But Pao, to start the interview, it has been 2 days?
2 days.
Yeah, 2 days since the incident, no? And I would like to ask you, how are you now?
To be honest, I cannot even answer that question because it's mixed emotions. I am, first and foremost, I'm very grateful to be here, to see all of you, to be able to serve, to be able to give for PRRD. If, as you can see, during the event, during our events, we were so united, we were so happy, giving away books, giving away merch, tumblers, because this is what PRRD wants, and yun yung reason talaga why I came here. That's one, I'm very happy. Two, I'm sad at the same time. Very, very sad. Because I couldn't imagine being involved in a situation where I have to literally defend myself. That a lot of people thought that, we were attacking. I think everybody knows that. But to be honest, traumatic.
Okay.
I don't want to leave Hague thinking na this is the memory na bibit-bitin ko. But I will choose to remember the goodness of how the people here, the Filipino community, welcomed us. Yung gusto kong matandaan na nagkaisa tayo, nagdasal tayo doon sa ICC, we all prayed and we all felt that. Sa sobra ko nga ding sayavin, yung luggage ko, hindi ko nga, kung paano ko to dadalhin because a lot of Filipino people, ang mga kapatid nating DDS, gave me a lot of gifts. That was an assurance that I think I did a really good job here.
Were you expecting something like this to happen?
Not at all. Not at all.
Okay, on that particular point, can we go back first, no? The few days before na talagang palipad na kayo dito, papuntang The Hague.
Yeah.
Can you bring us back to that memory, all of your preparations or whatnot? How did you emotionally prepare? What are the things that you considered before flying here?
As a Davaoenyo, Vin, I grew up seeing PRRD as our tatay. So I think as a Davaoenyo, it's my sole duty to give the support that he needs. Because, di ba, kung alam niyo yung kwento niyo, kwento ko, ang daming na itulong ni PRRD sa city ko, sa buhay ko, when the projects that PRRD created and made, na when my mom was hospitalized, hindi kami nahirapan with our hospital bills because the Dutertes were there for us. It's not just PRRD, but the entire family ng mga projects nila, we were able to. So parang feeling ko when PRRD was taken, I had to do something. I have to use my voice. I didn't know that I would be able to have a platform, no? But lahat ng ginagawa kong platform, I give back for PRRD. Yun na yung ibibigay ko for PRRD. So, nung kinuha si Tatay Digong, I was able to say na bakit hindi ako pumunta dito sa Hague and support. And I think Theo and I think it was May pa, nagpa-plan na talaga kami to fly. Nagpa-process na kami ng papers and all. Because we really wanted to show some support, to show na, hey, Davaoenos are here with you outside. But of course, I think May ba yun? Election time? Basta election time yun, na parang hindi muna kami natuloy because we wanted to campaign, kami sa Davao for pagka mayor ni PRRD. And then we got the chance. Nag-apply kami, and it was really, really, really not that easy, no? Because you have to shell out, buti na lang supported yung family ko, everyone. So we were able to come here, and I tapped you guys. I tapped all of you. Tinap ko yung team natin. Are you guys also coming? So we can give. Kasi nung nag-decide kami pumunta dito, ito yung, I think, the date na dapat magkaroon si PRRD ng yung trial.
Yes.
But na postpone. So we decided na why not just continue para makapamigay na lang tayo ng merch. Kasi we believe that people will come also all over, all parts of the world para pumunta dito. And my job was to represent the Kabisayaan. So mamigay tayo. So yung preparation was not really pumunta kay Naya and yun. So okay naman. But overall, okay.
Wait lang. Kasi sinabi nila na mahina daw yung, mahina ba yung mic natin? Can you confirm muna guys before we proceed? Kasi, we are not professionals in that.
Chikahan lang naman kami.
Exactly. So we just wanted to make sure na naririnig ba yung mga statements ni Paolo. Sa inyo lang mahina. Okay naman sa amin. Okay, that's
naman.
good.
Sige.
Perhaps those are people who just really wanted to disturb the entire thing. So, don't worry about that. So, going back, would it be safe to say that all of the things that you just mentioned were really, really, how should I categorize that? I think those are really, really important reasons which should have made you very, very excited coming here. When you flew from the Philippines to The Hague, did you, by the way, take business class?
Yun nga, yung nakakatawa na parang, nakakatawa, nakakagalit, nakaka-hurt. Because, pwede naman sila tumawag sa airline, or I can show my ticket. I had to suffer, hindi naman suffer, but
It is what it is.
It is what it is. Hindi naman siya suffer kasi kung titignan mo nga naka-business kasi wow, ganyan. Pero, hindi kasi yung iniisip ko. And no, hindi. You can check that out sa airline. Pwede nila tignan, halukayin nila. Nakikita nila that I was a normal person flying here on a normal daily basis ng mga Hindi ako VIP. Nakakatawa lang, Vin, no, that a lot of these people that came from mga issue makers, troublemakers, that instead of supporting somebody from Davao City who will represent the Kabisayaan, who will represent PRR, the Davaoenos, sila pa yung parang hindi kami naparamdam na welcome here. And these people were like, lagi akong nagtatanong, bakit sila ganun? Why would they create issues na business class kami, or VIP kami? Yung suot namin, probinsyano daw, nung naka-jacket ako pagdating ko dito sa airport. There's nothing wrong with being probinsyano. Anong mali sa pagiging probinsyano? Si PRRD is probinsyano.
I think that we can say, it is safe to say that those preconceived thoughts by mga kababayan natin is very associated to us being Filipino and our culture. Having lived here for an extended number of years, the Dutch culture doesn't even mind at all if you're just wearing a t-shirt. So, for those individuals who are categorizing what you are wearing as this and that, I think it is also safe to say that those are their opinions. But
Correct.
it doesn't matter.
It doesn't
It's
matter.
just that I'm really after the facts. Then we clarified that you didn't take business class. Oh, yun pala yung-
And sorry.
Okay.
And even if not business class,
What's the
business
problem?
kanila yan. It's none of their business, di ba?
You shouldn't be answerable You shouldn't be answerable to everyone. Kasi naman, hindi naman sila ang nagbayad para sa business class. Or, should,
Exactly.
di ba?
There's nothing wrong.
And you're not a politician. Hindi mo hawak ang taxpayer.
Ayaw kasi ni Tio sa live magpakita. Wag na kasi.
Wala kang ligo
Wala pa
kasi.
kasi siya naligo.
Asabi?
Hindi pa kasi siya naligo, guys.
Hi guys, wala pa kasi akong ligo. Sige, invite ko muna yung interview ninyo, ang namin yung viewers. Ang point ko here is, even if naka-business class kami or we fly coach lang or whatever, it's none of their business. 'Di ba? Pero kung ang business nila is yung manira na lang kung ano-ano, imagine pati outfit namin ginagawa nilang issue. Ganyan talaga ba sa mga uneducated?
ang akin,
Si Paolo mabait yan, ako hindi.
Yeah,
ang
we
akin,
know.
Vin, ba, parang, no, I thank you, Tino, pero ang akin ba, Vin, parang, why are these people focusing on us so much rather than focusing on the flood controls, the issue with
Utosin ni Harry.
Current issues, okay.
yung mga sila Zaldi, sila, ang lahat. Why don't you guys focus on the real battle? Bakit sila, since 6 months ago, let's go back. 6 months ago, ang focus nila is puro issues. Di ba, birthday mo, these are the same people?
Speak louder daw, sabi nila para maano.
Ay, sorry. Okay, di ba nung birthday mo pa, ang dami kasi these are the same people who focuses on us so much rather than focusing on the real battles. So, hindi ko naiintindihan bakit. What did we ever do to them for them to hate us so much?
Would you say, Pao, that experience that transpired 2 days ago, unfortunately, already destroyed the entire trip?
No! The trip was all about PRRD. And successful yun for us. Because when we came here, I saw the DDS Filipino community. Ang importante yung nakita ko yung ngiti nila. Ang importante nakapamahagi kami ng mga libro. Ang importante namigay kami ng mga something that they will remember of how PRRD was.
Okay.
Yung mga lip balm ni PRRD. And to me, looking at them, bonding with them, smiling with them.
And actually finally meeting you,
And
guys.
finally meeting you.
Yeah.
Na hindi
You
kami
and Tio.
nagchichismis, na walang siraan, na walang issues.
Yes.
So, hindi ko nagigets. Why sa bagay ko rin ma-blame leader nila, may tapak eh. But at the end of the day, sabi ko nga sa'yo, di ba nung nag-usap tayo, I hope this is the community na gusto natin
Yes, I remember.
for the Hague. Na let's just set aside everything, let's just focus on bringing him home. Tapos naisip ko, Pilipino nga din pala talaga, no? Hilig-hilig nila sa intriga, ang hilig-hilig nila kung sino ang dapat mas mataas.
So what's your reaction to the statement that there's an associated thought that you were troublemakers because you are labeled as tourists, that you shouldn't be doing these things, ganito ganyan.
Well,
but you did the complete
The
opposite
other way
of
around.
what seemed to be an expectation.
Well, when we got there, I'll just tell you my side of my story na lang. Para klaro tayo lahat. Nung dumating kasi kami doon, we were already told that there are certain people already na nagka-create ng live, nag-share ng post na inviting everybody because there will be commotion or there's going to be a surprise happening. Meron na rin nag-send sa amin ng babala.
Babala. Okay.
Warning that they're brewing up. Somebody or like a group is brewing something. Nagsend na rin ng screenshot or screen recordings that, may plano sila, nakita na namin sila ganito. When in fact, earlier that day, we were singing praise and worship songs.
Yes, actually. Yes.
Kumakanta kami ng praise and worship songs.
Yes.
Kasama
In front of the ICC detention.
In front of the ICC, including Miss Edelida, the wife, the partner of Sir Bong. So, yung intention namin talaga was so light.
That should be.
That should be it. Pero nung ano namin, hayaan nyo na baka hindi lang talaga maganda yung narinig nilang chika about us na hindi naman totoo. Na wala man lang silang basis. Na hindi man lang nila sila nag-take time na kilalanin muna kami of who we really are, of what we do in Davao City. Kung paano namin dinidefend ang mga Dutertes, yung mga proyekto ng mga Dutertes, yun. So
Sorry, go ahead.
So when we got there, when we got there, kasi sabi namin, so of course we have to do your interviews with Sir Bong. I really wanted to also meet this organization. Kaya nga pumunta kami. Kasi kung ayaw ko, ba't pa ako pupunta? If ikapapahamak ko, ba't ako pupunta?
Yes.
Even if we already heard, I had that notion ba na, oh, these are Filipinos. They will...
Wait, let me fix your mic.
These are Filipinos na parang kung Filipinos ito and DDS pa, they would not do something to harm us because we are in the same.
Because you're supposed to be visitors.
We are visitors.
Yes.
We are supposed to
just
be
like
welcome.
any other Filipino.
Tourists.
Tourists. By the way, came from a very far-flung places. We're talking about the Philippines. This is a 18-19 hour trip. You know, so.
Davaoenos
Also
here.
a Davaoeno, you are proudly raised by a Duterte.
Yeah.
So,
Correct. Tapos nakakainis lang no yung nagpa-shout na
okay
mga
na.
turista lang daw kami, mga TNT pala.
Tapos when I got there, Vin, kumain pa kami ng luto ni Ma'am na ano yung lumpia at saka empanada. Kumain pa kami ng mga food. Pero ramdam ko na that we were not really welcome. They made us feel, yung grupo na to, we're talking about the certain group.
there's certain hostility.
Oo.
Treatment.
So parang sabi ko, hindi, okay lang to because I believe after that interview, maybe we would have a conversation na magkausap, maganito. Pero, they started it eh. Alam mo anong sabi nila? There's this one person, then, sabi niya rinig ko, let's not get intimidated by their intimidation. Vin, simula nung dumating kami dito sa Hague, kailan ako nag-intimidate ng people? When in fact, I'm the one pumupunta sa mga tao, giving away ballers. Nakikita nila yan sa mga live, sa mga videos. Nagbibigay ng ballers. Paano ako nag-intimidate? Of course, my friend, Tio, would react because hindi naman totoo. You guys have been doing this to us 6 months ago pa. And we never got the chance to answer, respond, and defend ourselves.
Because there's also a certain statement nga na why are these people able to travel when they don't even have jobs, ganito, ganyan, and they're able to... We already clarified, no, that they did not...
dollars pound, okay, we are VAs.
Now, we were able to clarify that they did not flew with a in business class, no? So, they only had an economy travel, and that's completely fine. On whether or not kung mag-business class man sila, it's also completely fine as long as hindi nag-solicit, di ba? Just for the...
Kami kasi sa Davao, pinalaki kasi kami. Sa Davao kasi, pinalaki kami simple. Simple lang. Sanay kami sa Davao. Si Pierre RD nga, di ba? Just because we look poor doesn't mean we're poor. Sorry, but just because we look poor doesn't mean we're poor. So do not really judge someone by their looks. Judge someone based on their bank account.
Yeah, because I saw somebody, grabe. They're just wearing very simple stuff. My God. And
Huwag nilang lait-laitin yung mga simple lang ang damit.
They were talking about, and then this person was talking about a certain hotel. My God, when we check, geez, it's on top of a mountain. Somewhere in a very exclusive location.
Huwag silang ganun.
You never know who are you talking to, diba?
Yeah.
So, Pao, nangyari na ang nangyari. What's your takeaway in this?
Hindi naman ako galit sa kanila, Vin.
You mean you forgive them?
I forgive them. Hindi ako galit sa kanila.
Even with the physical assault?
even with the physical assault. Because how can I be mad to some people who does not even know the real battle? They only believed in a certain chika and chismis by Harry Roque. Diba?
Can you expound on that?
Yeah, of course.
Right.
You know,
Bakit
diba? Diba? Of course. I mean, like, Harry Roque has been spending time with these people, with this organization. Harry Roque has been dealing with them for so many months already and days. And if you're really for unity, Harry Roque, dapat noon pa, ikaw mismo ang nag-stop sa mga ganitong issue that your group started. Remember, let me remind you, ikaw ang nag-hijack sa birthday ni Alvin. Let me remind you, it was the same group that you guys created mess kay Harry, not us. It was you. We just came in because we had to defend Alvin. And now you tell people that you're for unity. You're not for unity. So I would like to say, during nag-aaway kami, of course, it was just me and Tio. The goal was not to make away. The goal was to defend ourselves. They were calling us alpoteras.
Oh, so you're basically taking exception to the statement that you are bullies. You are bullies, and I'm not going to stand for bullies. But actually, it should be, I'm not going to stand against bullies, di ba? So if you were saying for, that means that you are with them. So,
Yes, right. Hindi ko nagigets. So kung nag-react man kami, hindi ibig sabihin kami ang masama. Ang problema kasi of this group, tira kayo ng tira, attack kayo ng attack, gawa kayo ng gawa ng issue, telling us that we are this, double agents, we are this, Paano kami maging double agents? Is we're from Davao City. They can have intels to check us kung double agents kami. Gusto ba namin mamatay sa sarili naming homeland? Diba? Sa hiya? Of course not.
You mean mamatay sa hiya? Because,
Mamatay sa
exactly,
hiya.
that's what
Diba?
you mean.
Magets mo ako? So parang ang pangit ba? So we were there. Me and Tio were there. Imagine how they prepared. Lahat sila naka-camera talaga, body cameras. I even saw someone wearing shades na may camera inside. So they were all prepared. Imagine mo, dalawa lang kami ni Tio, pinalibutan nila kami, Vin.
What's your reaction to the statement that there's an effort from you guys na manira kay Harry Roque?
Effort? Bakit ko nung sisiraan ang taong sira na sa Pilipinas? Number one, Harry Roque, you already have cases in the Philippines that you need to attend to. So wala naman kaming pakialam sa'yo. Pero if only kung naging mabait ka lang sa everyone, you were fair enough, square, okay na sana yun. But, hindi eh. So anyway, going back to the group, they were all attacking us. So, kung nakita nyo sa mga reels and sa videos, ganun-ganun kami ni Tio, oh. Kumaganon kami, bobo kayo, ang tapangan ninyo, hindi kasi kayo nakikinig. Because they were saying na, turista lang kayo, wala kami karapatan dito, feeling VIP kami. Paano kami nag-feeling VIP? Kami nga nagkakarga ng maleta namin.
And it's not also your fault if people recognizes you and probably offer you something, or treat you a VIP treatment, diba? Probably you deserve that because skin pa lang, it's already there. Diba?
Alien nga daw ako eh.
Okay, ay seryoso pala.
Diba?
So basically, I think it's not your problem if people are treating you VIP because probably you're deserving.
Yep. And they ask themselves.
Oh, it's out. Oh, exactly. That's out from their own volition. So that's basically the gist of the matter. So would you consider, say for example, because we need to move on from this situation.
Yeah. After this, we're not gonna talk about it.
Exactly. That's what I wanted to say. Are you now at a stage where you're already done with this and you want to move on, just focus for the cause of supporting PRRD by any ways possible and just forget about it?
Sabi ko nga kanina, Vin, I am for reconciliation, but hindi ko siya makakalimutan. Because I will never blame these people who physically assaulted me, who cursed me, who cussed me, kasi naniwala lang naman sila in a certain side. If they open their eyes, kung i-check ninyo who really I was, kung mag-check sila sa Facebook, tignan niya lahat ng pinaggagawa ko sa Davao City. They would see that my cause was the program of the Dutertes. And instead, gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanila na instead of focusing on chismis, intriga, talking about other people, why don't you focus on the needs of other people?
Talk more about that program that you told us that you wanted to start ba, or
Yes, it is starting. Diba, focus masyado ako sa the House of Hope, and
there's this another
pagbalik ko ng Davao City, we're already brewing up the Project Pandesal for
that
the
one.
Project Pandesal for the Centro who makes Davao City beautiful. Dapat ganun lang. Or maybe created, magpamisa tayo for everyone who wants to pray for PRRD. Dapat ganun yung goal. Hindi yung goal na kung sino ang may access sa mga Duterte, kung sino ang mas may kilala or pinsan na ganito. It doesn't matter.
Because it's not
the goal.
Yeah, it's never really about the supporters. It's about
The cause that you give.
Yeah, exactly, the person. It's all about PRRD. It's all about reaching that particular goal, di ba?
Yeah.
So
I just hope that matatanda naman ito. I believe matatalino man tong mga to. Rather than focusing, ay ganito pala, let's just move forward. It's about time that we move forward and forget.
if you're given that opportunity to address these individuals right now, what would be your message to these people?
I hope you think about your actions twice. I'm sorry if I made you feel that time that I was attacking you, but I was defending myself from all of you. Imagine lahat kayo versus the two of us. But like I said, I will not blame you because you only believe in a certain concern, certain issue na wala namang basis.
Yeah.
I hope kung totoo man yung bayad-bayad nila Maharlika, nung mga grupo nila Maharlika, please remember, Maharlika, it's her job to make people away. She never even created a good cause. Rally. Para saan na rally? Magdasal kayo, magbigay kayo, tumulong kayo, create unity, create peace. The same way that we guys are doing. And if we are successful, Maharlika screams. If we are successful because what we do is good, they create issues and mess. Think, do you want to be part of a situation na puro gulo? Do you want to be part of a situation na puro chika ang alam? Or would you rather work on giving out merch, creating something good with no solicitations?
Correct.
And creating something better for our future. That when PRRD comes out and comes home to us, we can definitely say, PRRD, I did my part. PRRD, I continued while you were there. Think.
Also, Pao, what is your reaction doon sa sinabi ni Dan na we are going to move on to this, but there are certain conditions laid for everybody to follow. Such as...
yung conditions
Yes,
niya.
the conditions.
Taga-embassy ka? Sorry ha, pero
Bakit siya magsiset ng conditions? Sino ba siya?
why?
Akala ko ba mag-
What have she... Sorry ha, hindi ako nakikipag-away, but why? If you're really up for forgiveness, why would you sit... Pwede naman kami maging supporters and not friends.
Okay.
Pero wag
No,
lang
but
tayo
because I
magbastusan.
already said that before, no, during that very moment, I
Wag
said,
lang
it's-
tayo magbastusan.
Correct. It's
Yun
okay
lang
for
yun.
us to not like each other, and that's perfectly fine. But we just need to focus and remain steadfast doon lang sa ating objective, and which is for former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. And that's it.
And that's it.
And just to be clarified, just to clarify things, nobody's funding nobody
And
here.
nobody's funding
This is really a voluntary work, and I think this is our bit of showing to the whole world that as Filipinos, it is your duty or your duty bound to do your bit as a Filipino, to stand for your country, for your
Trabaho
sovereignty.
natin.
Correct,
lahat yan.
exactly.
Ang hindi ko naiintindihan, bakit laging issue sa inyo kami? Laging issue sa kanila, funding. Bakit? Sino ba ang may mga issue sa funding? Di ba sila rin? Ba't nila ipapahid sa amin? And then pag kinall out kayo, kayo tong galit. Hindi ko kayo gets. But I hope
And how about for other people? How about for other people who are saying that, okay, you are creating this mess, but ganito ganyan, and then all of a sudden they are using the play victim card.
You know what, Vin? If they really love us, they will love us. If they really understood our cause, they will. If they understood that we defended lang ourselves, they would understand. If they really hate us, no matter how much explanation that we do, they would really hate us.
Okay.
So there's no point of actually defending. There's actually no point of explaining. Ina-explain ko na lang ngayon para masirado na ang book. But after this, we're done. Let's just go back peacefully. Let's just work on what we need to work on for 2028, that we ensure that VP Sara is protected, and we ensure that we offer prayer for PRRD that he comes home well. I believe in, lagi ko itong sinasabi, I believe that the best gift that you can give a person is prayer. Not may pakikipag issues sa other people. Start working on that.
Is there any more statements you want to share to the whole world, or that's it na?
My heart goes to our kababayans in Visayas who are affected by the lindol. And please do know that as long as we are still here, we will defend, we will protect, we will love. We are not malditas. You can ask all over other people, magkaroon kayo ng sarili niyong intel. Wala kaming inaway lang out of the blue. Kung meron man kaming naaway, it's because we have to defend. Medyo kasi minsan, sobra na Vin ba? You can give your opinion, but you do not accuse us of things that we never did. So yun lang. And I hope this ends. I hope we all move forward. And I hope to all see you still around. And let's just work on what we need to work on.
Yeah. Thank you, Pao, for your time.
Thank you, Kayo Vina. And congratulations sa kaya ako ay 1.2.
Ay, sabada.
Salamat.
Actually, no, it's 1.3.
Kaya Yumingaw na rin ako sa Pilipinas. I
Correct,
so
oo.
miss Philippines.
Ano ba na comment na?
Pwede mag-kiss kayo sa live. Aray!
Bye.
Anyway, goodbye
Bye,
everybody.
everyone.
And salamat kaayo. Mabuhay ug madayaw.